Hello, parents of first grade. This is Señora Rivera with a video of the next activity that the students we're gonna do this week, starting this week. So this activity will be in Schoology. First, these are the instructions. It says, listen to the question twice. Choose the option for your answer and explain why. Write your answer on your writing journal or a piece of paper. Remember to use the checklist to write a complete sentence. Make a drawing related to your sentence. Then parents and or guardians take a picture of your work and upload it in Schoology, Class Dojo portfolios, or email. This is my email, gianna.rivera.morales@bsd.k12.de.us. This is the checklist that I was talking about. You should check that your drawing, you used to make your drawing 4 or more colors. That I started my sentence with uppercase letter like this, el gato es negro. I used punctuation marks. It would be question mark, exclamation mark, or a period. I used finger space between words, and then I can read what I wrote. This is the example of the question. ¿Te gusta jugar fútbol? ¿Por qué? Do you like to play soccer? Why or why not? Sí, me gusta jugar fútbol. If your child likes to play football or soccer, should start his sentence with this side. And then add why does the child like to play soccer. If your child doesn't like to play soccer, start the sentence with no me gusta jugar fútbol porque, and then finish its sentence. And then the drawing should go related to the sentence that your child wrote. This is an example of the sentence. For example, I said no me gusta jugar fútbol porque no es divertido. So I draw myself and I said why it's not. So now we show you where to get it in Schoology. So if you go to Schoology, look, if you are in green group, you click on the image of me in the apple with the green label, or if you are in the blue group, you click on the label that is blue with me in an apple. Look for the apple, both sides. So let me go here. So you click on the folder that says Spanish. Then look for today, this week's, February 22nd. Then click where does it say Pregunta de la semana, question of the week 1. Football, soccer. Let me open this a little bit. So here you're going to see the question. Then at the bottom, you're going to see the video. You click on that and you're going to hear me reading that question. ¿Te gusta jugar fútbol? ¿Por qué? Sí, me gusta jugar fútbol porque no. So, and then give me a moment. Oh, yeah. So then, so you see, you're going to see if you click on the arrow at the bottom of the Google slide here. For example, I went forward. So you go forward. You're going to check that checklist. I just put it in the previous presentation in English, so here is in Spanish. I hope that this video will help you to complete this activity with your child. Thank you.